Hi, Doug from J.Racenstein. Today we're going to talk about towels. And if you clean windows, you have to have towels. You have to clean up all the little detailed spots that maybe you left a drip on. So let's talk about it for a minute. You have all kinds of different microfibers out there. And microfibers are a great choice in a towel. It's actually personal preference. As you can see, they all come. Microfibers come in all kinds of different colors, in all kinds of different sizes. There's another towel out there that a lot of people prefer. It's called the recycled surgical towel. So it's not as fine as a microfiber. The beautiful thing about these towels is once they get wet and they dry, you can continue using them. Once the microfiber gets dirty, you can't use it anymore. So these huck towels are very valuable towels out there. Probably the window cleaner's favorite. But to you, I leave it up to you. Again, it's all personal preference out there. But make sure you get your towel qualities that you want from J.Racenstein. Your huck towel or your microfibers. J.Racenstein out.